Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel, and today we are going to fix an issue which is related to our Sony Bravia TV. So few days back I was facing this internet browser will be closed due to internal error issue, and now my friend is facing the same issue. So I thought let's make a video for you all. So if you are also facing the same issue, then watch this video till end and let's start the video without any delay. So before moving further, let's discuss that why we are facing this issue. So this issue, internet browser will be closed due to internal error, is most of the time caused by the updates of Sony Bravia TV. This is because most of the time the updates from Sony are not compatible for your TV, or the updates may carry some bugs. The other reason may be your internet connection. So for the solution, first of all check your internet connection. After checking your internet connection, power reset your TV, on it again, and also check for the updates. If available, then update. If not, then factory reset your TV. You can easily factory reset your TV from the settings. After the factory reset, restart your TV, set up your TV, and your issue will be resolved. Because as I told you, this issue is related to updates, so in factory reset the updates will be deleted. But if it is not working, then you have to simply wait, or you can contact the service team of Sony. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.